morning, Eicher's class.
Good morning.
Today, we finish multiples and least common multiples. Can you find common multiples of two or more numbers?
Yes.
A multiple is the exact same as a what?
Product.
Say again?
Product.
Multiples, you guys and gals, are always bigger than the given number. So if I give you a number, they're always bigger, but they can also be the exact
Same.
Nice job. What's another? So if I say least common multiple, how can you abbreviate that?
LCM.
So the least common multiple would be the smallest, the word least, common, something that they have in common, multiple, the smallest common multiple between two or more numbers, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, to find multiples, we create these things called, what do we call these things?
Snake.
Snakes. So if I'm going to find the first five multiples of, say, like a number 4, we just write down the 4. We call it the snake's head. Then snakes, as they slither, get longer and longer, right?
Yes.
So to find the first five multiples of a snake, we just multiply by 1 and then, and then, and then, and then. What is 4 times 1? What is 4 times 2? What is 4 times 3? What is 4 times 4? What is 4 times 5? Literally any number that I give you, if you multiply by 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of that given number, you're going to find the first five multiples, yes? Fun question. What's the sixth multiple of 4?
24.
Because 4 times 6 is 24, right? Sometimes we ask you to find the smallest multiple that two numbers have in common. We call that the... Say again? LCM. So I'll use 4 and 6 again. We listed all the multiples of 4. We listed all the multiples of 6, right? Is 4 a common multiple between 4 and 6? So what do we do? Is 8? So what do we do? Does 12 exist in both of those snakes? Yes or no?
Yes.
So what do we do? Is 12 the smallest number that they both have in common? We call that the least common multiple, right? Sometimes when we're doing numbers like 7 and 8, we list the first 5, and we list the first 5, and we have nothing in common. Do we need to keep going then?
Yes.
So we list 3 more, and eventually we're going to find a number that they have in common, right? If you cannot find a multiple in the first 5 numbers of a snake, we find how many more then?
3.
Mason and Miles like to hit home runs, don't they? Sometimes we need to actually use our knowledge of finding multiples to figure out like some predictions of the future. If you read through this question, I'm not going to do this one, but if you read through this question, it helps us predict the future about Miles and Mason and their ability to hit home runs. I'll let you guys read that on your own because you are going to see more problems like that. We good?
Yes.